Hey everyone! Welcome to another tutorial on the Desire channel. Today, we're going to create a beautiful Ramadan-themed poster using AI. We'll be using a powerful tool called Imagine Art. First, search for Imagine Art on Google and click on the first official website. Once you're there, click on Launch App to sign up. If you already have an account, just click Sign In. You can log in with Google, Facebook, or Discord. I've already signed up with my Google account, so I'll go ahead and log in. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see several options. You can generate images. You can create videos. You can even transform your own sketches into digital artwork. This feature is still in beta. And you can use Music CD for creative audio elements. But for this tutorial, we'll be working with Photo Generate. Step 1. Choosing the right tool. On the left side, go to the Tools section and select Text to Image. For the size, I'll choose 16:9, which is perfect for websites and other digital platforms. But feel free to pick any size that works for you. Step 2. Selecting the style. Next, we'll choose the image model. I'll start with rubber hose and set the style to 3D render. Now, I'll paste my prompt, which I've shared in the caption below, into the input box. You can write your own prompt based on the design you have in mind. Step 3. Advanced settings and generating the image. In the advanced settings, you can choose how many images you want, anywhere from 1 to 4. I'll go with 1 for now. Now, let's click Generate and wait for the magic to happen. Wow! The AI just created a stunning image, and even the text looks great. But I want to try a different model for comparison. Let's switch to Imagine Ultra and generate another image. Step 4. Experimenting with different styles. You can try different models and samples to get unique results. Now, I'll change the style from 3D render to dark fantasy and regenerate the image. This time, the result looks even more dramatic and artistic. AI-generated text isn't always perfect, so if needed, you can remove some parts of the prompt and later add your own text using Photoshop or Illustrator. Step 5. Download and use your image. Once you're happy with the design, simply click download and use it in your projects. That's it for today's tutorial. If you made it this far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support keeps me motivated to create more awesome content. Take care, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.